Hey, it's Dustin Genius here at Orlando Mini with another instructional video. This time it's on cruise control. Now, all of our vehicles have cruise control, and it's located on the left side of the steering wheel on our more recent models. Now, the button in the middle is to turn it on or off. Once you get to your desired speed, you hit the button on the right, which is set. When you want to increase the speed, you hit plus. When you want to decrease the speed, you hit minus. And we are one of the few companies out there that actually has the brakes intervene to reduce the speed when you're hitting the minus instead of it just coasting. It's pretty nice. And then, if you cancel it with the brake or by hitting the left side button, you can resume back to your original speed with the left side button. Now, some of our vehicles are actually equipped with another feature called adaptive cruise control. And that actually means there's a radar system in the front of the car, and it's going to help you maintain a certain distance between you and the car in front of you. Now, if you wanted to make the space bigger, you would do this button. If you wanted to make the space smaller, you would do this button. You basically add blocks or take them away. And the adaptive cruise control is really amazing. As long as you have it active and it's on, it will adapt, including coming to a stop if the person in front of you stops. Thank you very much for allowing me to teach you about your Mini.